Need to purchase something big but want to split the bill? PayPal's Pay in 4 is your answer. We are giving you the exact steps on how to pay with PayPal in 4 payments, detailing the fees, and revealing the simple trick to make it completely free for you. Stay tuned to master this smart spending hack. Here is the simple, step-by-step guide on how to pay with PayPal in 4 payments. First, at an eligible retailer's checkout, select PayPal as your payment method. Second, if your purchase is between approximately $30 and $1,500, you will see the Pay in 4 option. Select it and click Continue. Third, you will receive an instant approval decision and a breakdown of your 4 interest-free payments scheduled over 6 weeks. The first payment is due immediately, and the rest are automatically taken every 2 weeks from your linked debit card or bank account. Now let us discuss the charges. The great news is that for domestic purchases, PayPal typically charges 0 interest and 0 late fees to the buyer, making it an excellent interest-free loan. The trick to avoid hidden charges is all about currency conversion. If you use Pay in 4 on an international website that charges in a foreign currency, PayPal will apply a currency conversion fee, usually around 3.5% to 4.5%, to your payments. The smart trick is to always check if the seller accepts payment in your local currency, or ensure you are shopping on a domestic US site to completely eliminate this foreign exchange markup. Always ensure your linked payment method has enough funds to cover the automatic withdrawals to avoid overdraft fees from your personal bank. Use this feature wisely to manage your budget better.